doing today, Quinlan?
We're making chocolate delicious brownies.
Okay. Now what do we have to put the stove on the oven to 350, right?
Yep.
And then we're going to put in
some of the dry ingredients, some cocoa, and a little bit of flour, and
okay, why don't we
a lot of sugar.
Okay, why don't we just put all the
like a little teaspoon of sugar.
1/2 cup of melted butter. You can put that into the big bowl. Put it into the big bowl.
All of it?
You can put all of that in there, yeah. The whole thing. There we go. And then put the 1 cup of sugar in there.
Let's put all of it.
1 cup of sugar.
All of it?
The whole thing. Yeah, there you go.
Made a little splatter.
Ah, okay. Now we have to put in, we kind of have to blend that around. Now we're mixing the butter and the sugar together. Get mixing. And then we have to add the eggs. So I will crack the eggs into here for you.
Can I crack it? Can I crack it?
You can try, just don't get any shell anywhere. Here.
It's wet.
That's okay. Okay, open it up and pour it in. Good. Okay, so we gotta get. Look at how fast it's gonna go all over the place. All right. Good mixing though. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Okay. No, that's enough. Okay, I think we've mixed that enough. So that goes into that bowl. You can just bang it. There you go. Make sure it all gets in there. And now put the flour in. And that's 1/2 cup of flour.
Why is there a little bit of cocoa?
And 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa. Oh, it's okay. That just went in there. And we need, what else do we need? 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Can I do that, please?
So that's about 1/4, I would say.
1/5.
You need 1/4 of that. Show it.
Now let's pour it.
And you put the baking powder into that bowl.
Now let's mix it.
Now mix it slowly though. Very slowly. And just get all of that blended. We also need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can put it on this spoon. Let me see how much you've got there. A little more.
Stop. No?
A little bit more. That's it. That's enough. There you go. Now put that into the dry ingredients, yes? Scrape the sides. Scrape the sides with the spoon. It's easier with the spoon. Okay, we'll get that mixed. Okay, now that you've got the dry ingredients mixed, what do you do now? Come on, you want to pour that? Wake up! Pour that into here. Into the egg mixture.
All of it?
Eat the whole thing. Make sure you don't go onto the table. There you go.
It's like
We
a
do need
brownie
this still.
pool. It looks like a brownie pool.
Mm-hmm.
Does it already look...
Besides, because I don't want any more going on the table. There you go. And I'm going to move this. We will take these out of the way. Because we've used the baking powder already. We don't need that.
Does it look yummy now?
Yeah, we need to spread the sides some more. Really, the whole thing has to be mixed. Then we can put it in our pan, which is greased and floured. You sprinkle a little flour there. It helps stop it from sticking. So now we'll continue to mix this. Come. So when we've got this all mixed, wow, that looks yummy now. Wakey, wakey. You'll wake up when brownies are ready, right? All right. You're letting your spoon go into the stuff. Look at what you did. Oh, boy. So anyway, keep mixing. That looks really good. Okay, now we pour into the, get your spoon. Get your spoon. Now we pour it into the thing, into the pan. Pour it in.
With the bowl at the end?
Yeah. No, not this one. That's for the frosting. Scrape it in. Out of the bowl. Okay. There we go. So now we have to put the finished product into the oven. Well, I put it in for like 16 minutes and then I check it with a fork. See if it's done. If the fork comes up dry, good. If not, leave it on for another minute maybe. But we'll put this in the oven now at 350. And set the timer to 16. So we set the timer to 16 and we will wait for those brownies to be done and then I'll start on the chocolate frosting. Oh, we got Snoopy who's going to get chocolate cocoa all over him. Please don't, because it's hard to get that chocolate stuff off. Oh, what is Snoopy doing? Is he going after the cookies? Okay. Well, the brownies aren't ready yet, Snoopy, so you can come back later when the brownies are all done, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. So anyway, I forgot to mention that we put the vanilla in there. What we did, and that was 1 teaspoon of vanilla that we had to put in. So what are you doing with Snoopy now? We got to clean up this mess and make chocolate frosting. So you're cleaning? Oh, Snoopy, you gonna help clean? Or are you just watching, huh? Good job cleaning all of this up. Wow. That's what you gotta do. Time to make the frosting. One and a half cups. One and 1/3 a cup of cocoa. Connie, can you get me more milk, please, out of the fridge? Oh my God. Let me see that. Wow. That is so nice. Is that a chair? What is that?
No, that's the pool.
Oh yeah, the pool. Oh yeah, you're in the pool. Oh, you did the back. I thought you meant the front porch.
That's the backyard.
That's the back. Oh, that's so
And I did
cool.
a little bit there so you can slide down.
Oh, yeah.
And I made the pool like this and a little line so it
Oh,
looks
wow.
like
And who's this?
Then I made, that's you.
Oh. So, we just added the vanilla.
Are these my dirty clothes?
Yeah, the clean ones are over there, babe. But I suggest before you put your clean clothes on, you come and taste test this. Where's Snoopy? Does he want some? I think you and Snoopy really need to see if this is okay now. This is a beautiful consistency. It looks really
Hey,
delicious.
look, Snoopy's back.
And when we get the...
Look, look at something.
Oh, there's Snoopy! And when we get the brownies...
Such a cute dog, isn't he?
He is. When we get the brownies cooled off, then we can put this on the brownies.
Look, can I lick this?
So you can take the spoon and
lick it?
you and Snoopy can taste test a little bit, okay? Not a lot.
Well, Snoopy is a fruit dog, so he eats bananas and strawberries.
Well, here, you can hold the spoon and taste test. Tell me what you think.
Snoopy doesn't want to taste test it because he's a fruit dog.
Well, that's okay. Snoopy doesn't have to eat that. He can have it. Is it good? We're waiting. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs down.
Come on. That's delicious. Yay!